Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are just joining for the first time, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like the video, comment and share. My returning subscribers, you are also welcome back to this channel. I love you all. In today's video, we are going to be doing a get to know me task. I have actually asked my friends to ask any question pertaining me. So they have asked me quite a lot of questions and I have them with me here. I'm going to be answering them one after another. Here are the questions. All the questions are in this book. So the reason why I've written down the question in this book is because I'm actually using my phone to make the video, so there's no way I can hold the phone to answer the questions. Okay, let's get started. The first question says, when did you know Mariam Masood? Let me think. Yeah, I've known Mariam Masood since 2018 when I first saw her video interviewing her baby sister Fatima on Basic Islamic Knowledge when Fatima was still 2 years old. Actually, I first saw her video in one of my sister's phones, so I had to search her channel on YouTube and I got it, alhamdulillah. Since then, I started following her channel, liking her video, commenting. Sometimes I do share, but not active as I'm doing now. And you know, I love each and every content of Mariam Masood because Mariam Masood has really inspired me in quite a lot of ways. Alhamdulillah, her channel is the best channel I have ever come across. Alhamdulillah, I love her so much. I love all her content. They are all amazing, all inspiring, educative, etc, etc. The second question says, how many juz have you memorized from the Holy Quran? This question is quite embarrassing. I feel really embarrassed seriously because I think someone at my age is supposed to have completed the memorization of the Holy Quran. But alhamdulillah, I'm happy I was able to memorize 7 juz from Baqarah, and then I memorized juz Amma and also memorized some of surah like Surah Yasin, Surah Rahman, Surah Mulk, Surah Munafiqun, Surah what's again? What's that surah? What's the name? Surah Muzammil. I was able to memorize Surah Muzammil too, and parts of Surah Kahf. The third question says, which video of Mariam do you love most? Actually, I love all Mariam Masood video. I love all her videos. They are all amazing. But you know, sometimes even after loving all the video, you still have another favorite of the video. I enjoy listening to her recitation of Surah Yusuf, so it's almost like I used to listen to Surah Yusuf every day of my life. Alhamdulillah. The fourth question says, when is my birthday? So this person asking is not actually asking of how old am I. The person is asking, when is my birthday? My birthday used to come on every 16th April of the year, so that's my birthday. The fifth question says, how many juz has Sudais memorized? That is, Sudais, my son. How many juz has he memorized? Actually, to be sincere, Sudais has not memorized any juz. He hasn't memorized yet. But he has also memorized quite a lot of surahs from Amma. Like, he has memorized almost a lot in Surah Yasin, Surah Baqarah. He has also memorized a lot in Surah Baqarah. I'm still focusing on training Sudais on how to recite Quran on his own before his hips journey continues, because I think if he is able to recite Quran on his own, he won't spend a lot of time in any surah when he comes to memorization. So alhamdulillah, this is what we have been. This question is asking, which surah did you first recite? So this person is asking, which surah did I first recite when I was still at my kindergarten stage? I can't really remember which surah did I first recite, but I think it could be Surah Al-Fatiha, because in our house, or I can say in our area, almost every child starts recitation with Surah Al-Fatiha, so I think it's Surah Al-Fatiha. The seventh question says, when did I start practicing Islam? Oh my gosh, I don't know. I really don't know when did I start practicing Islam, but I know I used to live with my grandmother as of then. So anytime she prays, I prayed as well. But I can remember this. I always pray Fajr and Maghrib. These two prayers, I don't miss them at all. But the rest, oh my gosh. Ya Allah, astaghfirullah. The rest of them, Ya Allah. Ya Allah, forgive me, I don't know, but you see Fajr and Maghrib, I don't miss them at all. I don't miss this, because I was thinking Fajr and Maghrib is meant for everybody, while the rest is only for elder people. So I used to play Fajr and Maghrib quite seriously. The eighth question says, which surah has today start memorizing? Yeah, today start memorizing Surah Al-Fatiha. He first memorized Surah Al-Fatiha before any other surah. The number 9 question says, which surah did Akiba first memorize? This question is so funny because Akiba only memorized 3 verses in Surah Yasin. The first 3 verses in Surah Yasin is the only verse I can say Akiba has memorized as of now, because she's too young. She's still 2 years old, 2 years 3 months. Alhamdulillah. I'm so proud of her. I'm so proud of this my little girl. Number 10 question says, when did I start my memorization? I started my memorization when I was 9 years old. I've been memorizing Quran since I was 9 years old. Up till now, I have only 7 juz. Oh, dumb head. How much surah has today's memorized? Today's has memorized quite a lot of surah. I think 30 or 30 something. Yeah, he has memorized a lot of surahs. Alhamdulillah. What is your favorite short video of Maryam Mas'ud? All Maryam Mas'ud's short videos are my favorite. I love all of them. They are all educative and inspiring. Alhamdulillah. Which surah is your favorite? Actually, all the surahs are my favorite. The Quran, each and every surah, I enjoy reciting them, so all of them are my favorite. Alhamdulillah. Question 13 says, what is your full name? My full name is Rukayya Abdullahi Khalid. Rukayya Abdullahi Khalid, but I used to bear Rukayya A Khalid. This Audu is my grandfather's name, but the name comes first before my father's name, Khalid. Question 15 says, what is your favorite color and food? I think I don't have favorite color. Yeah, but I do like purple and pink color. These two colors look good on me, and I think all colors look good on me. And favorite food? God, anything sweet I eat. Anything sweet, anything set to my table I eat. But if the thing doesn't look good, I don't eat. I don't eat something that's not good. But anything looking nice, sweet, oh my God, I'm in this. Anything that doesn't look attractive, I'm not going to eat that. But I eat anything set on my table as long as the thing is looking delicious from see, How many children do you have? I have 2 children. Abdurrahman Sudais, 5 years old, and Akiba, 2 years old. Alhamdulillah for the gift of life. What is your most favorite YouTuber? You guys already know. My first favorite YouTuber is Maryam Mas'ud. I think it's because of Maryam Mas'ud videos that I'm able to produce my own videos as well. And my second favorite YouTuber is Basmat. I used to share some of his videos because they are so inspiring too. Who is your best supporter? That is the person that supports me always. I have a lot of them. I have a lot of YouTube supporters of them, but sometimes you used to have top 5, top 10, and so on. So the first 6 people I'm going to mention now, inshallah, are my best supporters. They have supported my channel right from the beginning. The first person is Sister Rodila, Fatima Sol, Ummu Sana, Sister Ina, Sister Bushra, and Sister Atika. Thank you all for always supporting my channel. I really appreciate. Jazakumullahu khairan. I love you all. This question says, who makes my videos? I make my videos myself. Sometimes Sudais used to help me out. Almost all the time I do them myself because they used to go to school, so I do them myself. Which nasheed is your favorite? My favorite nasheed is Mountains of Makkah. I listen to this nasheed every day, alhamdulillah. Which surah do you love to recite? Yeah, let me think. I love to recite Surah Al Imran. I love reciting Surah Al Imran. Who is your best friend in Mariam community? Anybody in Mariam community that support my channel is my best friend. So if you really support my channel, you are my best friend. And if you are from Mariam community, consider yourself among my best friends. So I love you all. The other question says, are you a night person or a day person? I'm actually a day person. Yeah, I'm a day person because I see no reason of staying awake in the night doing things. Yeah, I used to sleep in the night and in the morning, afternoon, and evening and do all my works. So alhamdulillah, I'm a day person. For how long have you been a Mariama? I think I've been a Mariama for like 5 months. That is when I become active in her channel, but I was a Mariama since 2018, alhamdulillah. My sister is saying I should rate her out of 10. Sister Bushra, you are 10 over 10. I love you so much because you have been supporting my channel. So I will rate you 10, inshallah. That I should describe her. What is the best description? I think Sister Bushra, I would describe you as, you are so lovely, you are so kind, and you are so supportive. I love you all. I love all my best friends in Mariam's community and every other person that support my channel. And even if you didn't support my channel, if you do watch my videos, I love you too. Alhamdulillah, I think I've answered almost all the questions, though I skipped some. Before ending this video, I need to give a shout out to these sets of people. Sister Anusha, Sister Robila, Ummu Sana, is it Sister Aini? I don't know how to pronounce the name, but it's spelled A-I-N-Y. So I'm giving you a shout out too. You have been supporting my channel. Sister Jarifa, Sister Atika, Muhammad Mustafa R, Sister Hafsa, Sister Aisha Yunus, Alif Lam Mim Fans Club, Sister Rabia, and Sister Rabia and Sister who again? Sister who again? Okay, Sister Rukayya myself. I'm giving myself a shout out. So alhamdulillah, I've also been supporting my channel. I've been supporting my channel by providing the videos. So I have to give myself a shout out too. Alhamdulillah, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, like it, share, and drop the comment. If this video is your first time of watching my video, please subscribe. Please now, please be good, subscribe to my channel.